In this video, we'll be diving into the world of Samsung developer options. First of all, hear how to turn on the developer options menu on Galaxy device. Go to Settings, then tap About Phone, then Software Information. Scroll down, then tap Build number 7 times. Enter your pattern, PIN or password to enable the developer options menu. The developer options menu will now appear in your settings menu. These advanced settings provide a range of features that can be incredibly useful for developers and power users. Let's get started. First option is Stay Awake. Have you ever been frustrated when your device's screen turns off while it's charging? Stay Awake solves this problem. Stay Awake allows you to keep your device's screen active while it's charging, so you can read, watch videos, or use apps without interruptions. Second option will be Running Services. Have you ever wondered which apps and services are running on your device? The Running Services feature gives you insights into the active processes. You can take action by stopping or managing specific apps to free up system resources and improve overall performance. 3. Mobile Data Always Active. By enabling Mobile Data Always Active, you can ensure that your mobile data connection remains active even when you're connected to Wi-Fi networks. You no longer need to manually switch off Wi-Fi or worry about interrupted data connections. Mobile Data Always Active has got you covered. Next option we have is USB Default Configuration. This feature allows you to set the default behavior of the USB connection when the device is connected to a computer. You can choose options like charging only, transferring files, transferring photos PTP, or using the device as a media input. Last but not least, Sensor Off. This option allows you to disable all the sensors on the Samsung device temporarily. To activate this feature, go to Developer Options, then tap on Quick Settings, Developer Tile, then Sensor Off. It can be helpful for users who want to test how their apps or games behave in the absence of sensor inputs, such as accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, etc. Furthermore, disabling specific sensors can also enhance privacy and security. For example, by turning off the microphone or camera sensor, you can ensure that no unwanted audio or video recordings are taking place. Enhance your device by Developer Options Settings.